and welcome to Adam's Train Vlogs. I'm currently at Concord West for Concord West Vlog 29. Here we have Rider A55 departing platform number 3 for a Hornsby via Eastwood service. This train will stop at Rhodes, followed by Meadowbank, West Ryde, Denniston, Eastwood, Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby. Oscar passing platform number 3. The set is H54, Newcastle Interchange service. And a Tangara arriving at platform number 2. The front for cars is T105. The rear full cars is T50. Departing platform number 2 for a Central via Strathfield service. Here we have RL85 about to pass platform number 1. Linear loco is 8203. It's the PN coal train. Second loco 8201, third loco 8226, and fourth loco 8208. Here we have T47 arriving at platform number 3. Now T47 departing platform number 3. Next one will be Rhodes and then all stations to Hornsby. Rear for cars is T88. And an Oscar passing platform number 2 for Central via Strathfield service. Front for H16. And the whites are arriving. Here we have Whiter A25. And Whiter A74 arriving at platform number 3. And A25 arriving at platform number 2. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below. See you next time.